Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
These are the lengths in centimeters for a sample of 10 freshwater fish. And the numbers are 6.9, 7.6, 7.8, 6, 5.7, 6.5, 5.1, 7.2, 7.1, and 7.8. We must complete the stem and leaf diagram for this information, and we must write a key. So what we are going to do first is we are going to put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Let's start with that. So the smallest number will be 5.1, and then it will be 5.7, and then it will be 6.0. 6 and 6.0, it's exactly the same. And then it will be 6.5, and then it will be 6.9. Next, it will be 7.1, then 7.2, then 7.6, then 7.8, and 7.8. So now we've ordered the numbers from smallest to largest. Step 2, decide on the stems and leaves. So the stem will be the whole number part. For example, 5, 6, and 7. And the leaf will be the first decimal digit. For example, 0, 1, 2, and it goes all the way to 9. So in step 3, we are going to fill in the rows. For stem 5, we have leaves 1 and 7. So I'm going to write a 1 and a 7. For stem 6, we have the leaves 0, 5, and 9. 0, 5, and 9. And for the stem 7, we have leaves 1, 2, 6, 8, 8. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 6, 8, 8. Now, what about the key? What about the key? So the key will look like this. So we write a 5, then you write a line, and then you write 1, means 5.1 centimeters. So there is my key. And that completes the stem and leaf diagram.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.